Bullish Chiles cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 49 cents and 93 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept CHZ could reach 38 cents by 2025. Bearish Chiles market cost expectation for 2023 is 8 cents. Chiles presentation. Chiles gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered an exclusive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, Socios.com. Chiles has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and chief of Chiles. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Preceding sending off Chiles, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chilepoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the customary games industry. Since its send-off, Socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage controlled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ token. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through Socios.com's internet business store. What is Chiles? The Chiles stage was made determined to furnish fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers awards for taking part in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is at present utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to partake in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiles principal examination. Chiles is a digital currency zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiles is Socios.com, a stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The Socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiles coin to make secure, straightforward, and unchanging exchanges. The utilization of blockchain likewise takes into consideration quick and proficient installments between parties. Exchanges on the Socios.com stage are controlled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiles coin is gotten from its utility for the purpose of the exchange on the Socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the Socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Likewise, as additional individuals utilize the Socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Organizations. The Chiles Group has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atlético de Madrid, Paris Holy Person Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, Augasports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chiles current cost. Chiles is right now worth 10 cents USD. CHZ has moved 0.20% as of now with an exchanging volume of $44,379,077. Chiles is right now positioned 51 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $719,563,723 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Chiles to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Chiles value expectation 2023. Chiles, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The CHZ cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 16 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 15 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of 13 cents. Chiles value expectation 2024. In 2024, Chiles CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform 27 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the CHZ's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 21 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 24 cents. Chiles value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 38 cents and CHZ might benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 35 cents and a low of 32 cents in 2025. Chiles value forecast 2026. Assuming that Chiles effectively supports market feeling among digital money devotees, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 49 cents, with a base cost of 43 cents and a typical cost of 46 cents. Chiles value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 57 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 54 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a greatest value worth of 60 cents. Chiles value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 68 cents. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 71 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 65 cents. Chiles value forecast 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 76 cents and a yearly cost close above 82 cents in 2029. Chiles value expectation 2030. By 2030, Chiles will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 87 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 93 cents, averaging out at 90 cents. Chiles value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest CHZ cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.08 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.03. And, generally speaking, we think Chiles is an extremely encouraging task with a great deal of possibilities. The group has proactively gained huge headway in developing its associations, and presently they simply have to keep dealing with working on the genuine crypto token itself. Assuming they prevail with regards to doing as such, we accept that CHZ could become one of the top tokens in the space. What is